In this video we will show you how can we read the angle with the help of a protector. So whenever you will see the protector, in protector we have a point. You can see here, this is a point where two vertical lines, they are joining at one point. So this is the center of the protector. Always remember this thing, right? So put your uh, protector like that, and you will draw a point here on that point. And always remember, if you have this point here, you will draw a straight line with the help of your scale or with the help of protector, whatever, and make a point. Name this as O. O is from origin. Origin means we will start from here. So when you will put this point, which I showed you earlier, this point where two lines, they are joining each other, this point, you have to put this point O on this point, right? And it should be in a straight position like that. I am doing like that, right? So that origin O point is coinciding with this point. Now how can you draw an angle? If you have to draw an angle of, for example, you want to draw angle on this position, on this line, then you have to read the reading, which is a lower reading. You can see here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, up to 90 degree, and then it's going up to 180 degree. If you want to draw an angle at this line, at this side, then you will read the lower reading. But if you are drawing an angle on this side, this line, right, so you will read upper reading, which is starting from 0, 10 and going to 180 degree. If someone is saying me that you have to draw an angle of 30 degree, what I will do, here is a 30 degree point, I will go straight and will draw a point here like that, right? This point 30 degree, and then I will take this your protector away, and you have a point. Join this point with this origin with the help of a scale like that. First of all, you will draw a very light line, so that if there is some error or some mistake, you can rub it easily, right? This way. So you will get a line, and you will put arrowhead on this line, right? And you have started from this line, draw rotation like that, and put arrow on the head. It will represent that your rotation is towards this direction. Do you understand? So this angle is of 30 degree. In this case, we will draw angles with the help of protector. It's very easy, very simple. But if somebody is saying you have to draw an angle of, for example, 70 degree, I will put my this coinciding point with this point O like that. Angles line should be straight, and you have to put your finger on the protector so that it can't move here and there. Here is a 70 degree, right? So I will put a point on the head of 70 degree, and then I will take my compass away and join this point with this origin. You will get a line. So joining of two points will give you a ray. You know about it. So you will get a ray, another ray, and ray is represented with the arrowhead, right? So you are starting from this point, so your angle will be from here to here with rotation towards this direction, and this angle will be of 70 degree, right? You get it? So in this way you will draw the angles with the help of your compass or protector. Not a compass, it's a protector. With the help of compass, angles are very easy. In the next video I will show you how can we draw the angles with the help of compass. So this is the way we can draw angles with the help of protactor. And how can we represent this? For example, this is origin, point origin, and I will name this point as A, this point as B, this point as C. I will name them. How can I write the angle in mathematical notation? Remember that where is the angle? This point, angles are on the point O, so your point O should be at the middle. Just like that, you can write here angle A O B. This shows that your angle is at the middle point O, right? And this sign, it shows, it represents angle, right? Or in some cases, in some books, it will written as Meyer angle A O B. So always remember, your angle not be on A, not on B. Angle should be on point O. Keep it in mind that angle should be at the middle point. This thing you have to keep in mind. And second way of representing angle is A O B, but angle should be at the middle point, but on the middle point where is the angle, you have to write like a little cap at the head of O. So it will also represent that angle is at the point O. So angle A O B should be 30 degree. These are the different types of rotations. How can we represent right angles in notation form, right? This is the way we will write angles. Always remember, for example, if I have to write the angle AOC, so angle will be 70 degree. I will write angle AOC is equal to 70 degree. But if somebody he will write OAC, it means that angle is at point O. Whatever the middle number, angle will be at that point. Or Meyer angle AOC, it is 70 degree, or AO, at the head of O we will have a cap. It will represent the angle AOC. Angle is at point O, which is of 70 degree. So AOC 70 degree, but AOB will be 30 degree. So it's in this way we will draw angle with the help of a protactor. It's very easy. And how can we read it? I have told you earlier that this point where two lines they are meeting each other, the common points there, it will be your origin. Put your point O here, and if you have to draw angles at right hand side, then you will read from low reading, which is starting from 0 10 going towards 180 degree. But if you have to draw a angle at this point, some cases, for example, we have a point like that, point is here, then how can we have to draw the angle is this way. So we will write point here, and we want to draw the line point angle here. So we will take the upper reading, which is starting from 0 10 20, and if I have to draw 30 here, I will put a point here, and then I will join this point with this origin, and you will get your angle. But this angle will be like this way, and this is clockwise direction. In next video I will show you that if your angle rotation is like that, then it will be clockwise, and angle reading will be negative angle, right? So you have to keep in mind how can we read angle from this side or this side. And always remember, angle is always taken anti-clockwise direction, then it will be positive. But if I will take angle from like clockwise direction, then the value of this angle will be negative, right? Hopefully you can understand. Thank you.